Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too, thanks for asking.
What's your name?
I'm Sarah. What about you?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. How about you?
I'm from California.
Oh, nice. What brings you here?
I moved here for work. What about you?
Same here. I started a new job.
That's cool. What do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. How about you?
I'm in marketing. Do you work from home?
Yes, I do. What about you?
I work in an office.
Do you have any hobbies?
I love painting. How about you?
I enjoy photography.
That's awesome. What kind of photography do you do?
I do mostly nature and street photography.
Sounds beautiful. Do you travel often for photography?
Yes, I've been to a few countries.
That's amazing. Where's your favorite place?
I really love Japan.
Wow, I've always wanted to go. What did you love about it?
The culture and food were incredible.
I'd love to visit someday. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
I do too, especially to places with history.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love books. What about you?
I'm a big reader too. What genre do you like?
Mostly fiction and thrillers.
Same here. Have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I just finished a great mystery novel.
What's it called?
It's called The Silent Patient.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
How cute. What's her name?
Her name is Bella.
I love cats. What breed is she?
She's a Persian cat.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love baking cakes.
That sounds delicious. What kind of cakes do you bake?
Mostly chocolate cakes.
Do you enjoy cooking meals?
Yes, I cook pasta often.
I love pasta. What's your favorite type?
I really like spaghetti.
Spaghetti is great. Do you eat out often?
Not really, I prefer cooking at home.
What's your favorite movie?
I love Inception.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy basketball. Do you play any instruments?
I play the guitar.
That's cool.
Do you like dancing?
Yes, I love dancing to music.
What's in your family?
I have my parents, a brother, and a cat.
That sounds nice. How old is your brother?
He's 22. What about you?
I have two sisters and my parents.
That's awesome. Are your sisters older or younger?
One is older, and one is younger.
That sounds like a lot of fun, having both.
It is, they're both amazing. It was great talking to you.
Yeah, I really enjoyed it.
Hope to catch up again soon.
Definitely. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.